Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a review for you from Pandahall. Now, this is a crafting company that they got a hold of me and wanted to know if I would show some of their products, and I agreed. So they gave me a budget and told me to go pick out a few things. Well, some of the items that you pick out, they come in like multiples. So you really have to watch your description and, how much it is. So if you've seen the other video, you've seen everything that I got from them. Y'all, I was so excited about the Birdhouse. Now, they sent me two of them. It was two in a set, and they're the exact same Birdhouse. But this is what I did, and I will put the link to this in my description box if it is still available. But y'all, this is what it looks like. Is that not cute? Very cute. And those little wooden pieces, that's exactly what they were, because I was like, I think they might be locking mechanisms, and that is what it is. But look at the front, y'all. Look at the front. Look at those little chickadees and the flowers. The stick on this was wonderful. And look, there's nothing sticky outside of where you were supposed to stick these. So this is absolutely wonderful. I wish all the companies that did partials, I wish they would only put the glue where you're supposed to put the glue, but we know that it does come out on the sides and stuff. This did not. So you can see this is not sticky where it's not supposed to be. But look at the shine. Those birds stand out so well. And then you've got the hole to where when you take this outside, I'm going to seal this. And I am going to take this and hang it outside in our little trees outside for the birds. But yes, it is adorable. And they sent in the toolkit, you got your regular toolkit, which I actually used it. Y'all, I have not used one of these normal, regular toolkits in years. But I just took this whole box. I just got this box, took it to the living room, and I sat and did this in like I think it took me maybe 2 hours to do this while I was watching TV with my husband. So I just went ahead and just used what was in the kit, so I wouldn't have to carry a bunch of stuff in there. But they also give you this little metal file. This ain't a cheap file. This is a metal file, so that you can file down any like splinters or sharp pieces, which I didn't even have to use it because none of these pieces were sharp, or I didn't have to file none of it. But they also give you some extra baggies in it. And y'all, I had so many crystals left over. Absolutely no way I was going to run out, okay? Just look at this. You can't even tell I even used any. I mean, full. And I actually spilt some because I was sitting in my recliner, and one of our dogs jumped up he jumped up in my lap, and when he did, because I was using this little tray, I kind of hit it, and when I did, it just kind of dumped out and went into the chair. So yeah, but you wouldn't know because I had plenty left over. So yeah, very impressed, y'all. Totally impressed with this company and with this project in particular. So, yeah, what do y'all think? I have never seen a birdhouse to diamond paint. Not wood, not like this. This is super nice. And like I said, I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to seal this and then take it outside for the birds. I might just hang it. We've got some apple trees in our backyard and a couple cherry trees and a pear tree. And I'm just going to put this in one of those trees. But again, I'll put the link to this in my description box. And again, thank you to Pandahall for sending these projects to me to share with all of y'all. And they sent me this bag that's a really nice canvas tote bag. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go look and get y'all one of these. And I even forgot to tell y'all in my last video that they did give me a code, or not a code, a coupon like thing that I will leave in my description box. So if y'all use that, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So yeah, y'all go check this out. Use that coupon. I don't make nothing off of it. It's just good for y'all, you know, to get 10% off your purchase. So go check this company out. Again, it is called Pandahall, and I recommend them. And it's not just diamond painting. Y'all, they got all kinds of stuff. You would not believe the amount of crafting supplies that they have on this website. And it is so, I don't want to use the word cheap, but it is very inexpensive stuff. So please go check them out. So all right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all thought about the Birdhouse, and if you've used this company, what y'all thought about it. And subscribe if you haven't already. So all right, y'all, till my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.